Hello everybody, so I am delighted to report that our Globe Observer team has officially gone global. We have had a couple of cloud measurements taken in Europe, in the United Kingdom, and true to form, they show a lot of cloud. So, two things I particularly wanted to tell you about today. The first is that you may have noticed that if it's a clear day, the app asks you about the visibility. So how far you can see, whether or not it's hazy, and to give the shade of blue of the sky. Both of these measurements give scientists data about aerosols in the air. So aerosols are just particles that are suspended in the air, and they can be natural. For example, some pine trees release a chemical that condenses into tiny oil droplets in the air. This is particularly common in the Smoky Mountains, and in fact the resulting haziness is what gives the mountains their name. Or aerosols can be man-made, so for example particles formed in a car when gas is burned. So a measurement of haziness will give a good indication of the levels of aerosols in the air at that time. The other thing I wanted to share with you was a delightful message on the Globe Observer website, thanking a citizen scientist personally for her measurements. Carmen Mandel, who lives in Massachusetts, had been regularly submitting clouds measurements, which allowed scientists to spot a discrepancy between her measurements and satellite data, and realised that there was a problem with the satellite, which they then fixed. So I hope this little story inspires you to see how you can be part of a much bigger picture and how important your measurements actually are. I will see you soon.